What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll be creating an epic illustration of Nyan Cat. Okay, so I started my drawing with a very light sketch using the flat edge of my pencil. And I'm only going to be blocking out the key features of my character. Now I want to give this character a sense of speed, so we're going to splash that frosting across the back. As I'm drawing, I'm also thinking of other ways that I can amp up my character. So instead of adding a rainbow in the back, I'll turn it into a cool rocket blast. Now once I've blocked out the general shape, I'll go back in and refine some of the contours while adding some more details. For this, I'll use the tip of my pencil. I'm not going to go too far with the detail, I just want enough to get the impression of textures, so it'll definitely help when I start my inking. I'm also adjusting my shapes to ensure my drawing is balanced. Once I'm happy with the basic level of detail, I'll grab my Pigma ink pen and start the finishing process. I always like to start with the eyes and then work my way outwards. I'll often jump in with my Sharpie pen to darken up the shadows and larger black areas. This creates a strong contrast and helps pull my drawing from the page. And I'm also adding more detail as I go. final layer of detail are the sprinkles. I'll place these randomly across the body, but also throw them off the back to give this character a stronger sense of speed. After a few final touches, I'll go back in and erase all my pencil lines before importing this into Photoshop for some color. Here's my epic interpretation of a Pop-Tart. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please send me a like and add your comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.